Hello, it is Melanie Bremner, and today we are going to try something in Canva. My mother and I were talking and trying to decide something for size-wise, and she gave me an idea, and now I want to see if I can do it. So, what we're going to do, or what she was talking about doing, was putting a bookmark on the side of a book or a journal that the customer can print out or cut out as each day goes. It'll have a different bookmark, and if they want to print out one of the bookmarks, then they can print it out, and then from there they can color it in, or if it's already colored, then go from there. But yeah, so let's start out with a custom size in Canva. So if it's going to be a 6 by 9 book journal, then you need the extra 2 inches on the end for your bookmark width. So that would be the regular size 6. So that would be 8 by 9 instead of um, 6 by 9. So the width for that is, remember, it's 300 pixels for every inch. So if it is 8 inches, then 8 times 3 is 2400. So the width would be 2400. And then the height being 9 inches, 9 times 3 is 1800. And then that would be your new design size. Okay, so what we're going to do, since I already have journal pages and bookmarks created, I'm going to use them and just put them in here. And then on the one side, it'll just have that, and then the next page we're going to do this belongs to. So now, when you're printing out, you want to make sure that it's going to be on the same side. So if your bookmark is on this side, then you need to make sure that when you're doing your next page, that your bookmark is going to be on this side, because it's going to be flipped over, remember? So let's do that here. So we will upload a sorry, gotta go to bookmarks. And I will do the line art bookmarks. Let's just do Valentine's Day for now, because I'm just doing an example. It's full page. I don't want a full page. I want, can't do Valentine's one, because all there is see if I have any that have the actual okay, let's sorry, bear with me. Should we do colored bookmarks or line art? Color your own. All right, let's see what I got for color your own. Let's do winter. It's still winter, so singles. What we could do is even create a frame format so we can just easily throw these in when we want to add our own stuff later on. So let's find a rectangle that would serve as our long narrow rectangle. Did that work? See, most of these are not good because I need long narrow ones. So give me just a minute. Sometimes it's just about playing around. Can we try this one? See, that still is a little too long. Oh, there we go. If we stretch it, that is going to be a little bit. So what we would do is say, since it's that's more like a 6x8 right there. And maybe not run to the edge of the line. Give it a little bit of a border for cutting off. Okay, so if we do that, then in here we need the big frame where we can put our main page. And this will enable all of our things to go in smoother. So we're looking for more like more like a rectangle. Oh, we don't want a frame around it though. Why is there frames around them? Okay, let's find one that doesn't have a frame. There we go. Okay, so then we will extend this as far as we can. And there we go for that. Maybe a little bit and more. Okay, so that gives us the space that we need. Maybe we need to do this just a little in here too. Okay, so once we got our borders in, or our margins in rather, then we have that allotted. So that makes it easier now for us to do that. Oh, now we got to do it reverse here. So we're going to copy, paste over here. And copy, paste over here. Okay. So there you go. When you go and print that out, that should be the way it is. We're thinking. So let's check it out and see what we can throw in here. Okay, so did I add the bookmark? Okay. So now on here, we're going to need to make a bookmark backing that says this book belongs to. I think it was this book belongs to. Yes. This bookmark belongs to. Okay, so let's quickly go into our editor, and we're going to create new. We can do bookmark back. Then we will do 2 times 600 by 1800. Is it 8? 3 times 8 times 3. Yeah. Nope, sorry. That was the wrong size. Let's do new image. Sorry about that. Bookmark backing. We're doing width being 600 because that's 200 or 2 inches by 300 pixels. So 8 inches times 300 pixels is 2400. There we go. That looks so long, but okay. So then we will color it. Let's drop some color in here, and you can change it to whatever color you want, I guess. But all right, now we need text. We don't need to do that. We'll just do add text, and then we're going to make it a little bit bigger. Then we're going to change. I like to do outlines. Okay, so that is fine. Oh, let's do it a little bit thicker. There we go. All right, so that's that, and then we're just gonna stick it here and say this bookmark belongs to, let me see, the size is, okay, it seems to fit. And then you just have, you could just add more text under here, or you could just do a line. There you go. And, oh, that you cannot see. Sorry, I canceled. Okay, so there. This bookmark belongs to, and then the person's name. You think I should do 2 of them? Okay. No? Okay. We'll just leave it for that. And that could be that. You could have a little cute little image or something on the bottom, but that's up to you. Anyways, that is simple enough, so we will save it, and we will put it just in my bookmarks as a backing. Okay, we'll close that up. Then we will go back to our design and okay. I think we're okay. So let's go back to our backing. And we will find our bookmark backing, and we will put it in. Drag it over. And then we can put our thingies in here. Okay, so let us add our journal pages. Bear with me a minute. I'm trying to think of where I can find them. I have some, here we go, journal pages. Should we go back to school? All right. These aren't necessarily journal pages, but this is a, okay, let's see. Here we go. Like you can add it in there wherever you want, right? If you just want line pages, then you can just do line pages. I'm not sure if I have one that is just line pages. Um, Bear with me. Okay, so you get that idea. So this is where your line pages or your whatever would be your main content, and then your bookmark on the side. And then when you have it flipped over, then this is what you would see on the other side. And I believe that is the way that it would be. So I hope you got something out of this, and then you just download it and put it together and see if it works for printing. You would do the double-sided, I believe, for your collation or whatever it is. And you know how you pick it up, print the one side, and you flip it over and print the other side. So I believe you would have to make sure that it lines up this way. Well, I hope you got something out of this, and give it a try. Let me know if it works. If you want a copy of this framework that I did with the two two things already included, so you can just drag and drop, then let me know, and I can send it over to you. Okay. I will talk to you on the next one. Take care.